We have 3 major regions, so we're a global company. Without KeyedIn, I would not be able to see the projects that are happening in Asia. I wouldn't be able to see the projects that are happening in Europe. And it'd be difficult for me to understand what's going on in the U.S. Because we will run about 300 projects at any given time. So it gives me visibility into our project health worldwide.
Universal is more than just a remote company. People think of us in simple terms, but it's actually a much more complex product type.
We did have a cloud-based solution before KeyedIn to help us at least get visibility on our projects, but it didn't work.
There were some major concerns that we had about that system, and that it was very, very tedious to do the resource planning in the system. So much so many approval levels, the mechanics were poor, we just didn't use it. And what we liked about KeyedIn is that it was a really good balance of a reasonable, particularly with the upgrade, a very intuitive user interface for some of the key elements that we need. The support was exceptionally strong. In fact, that was one of the key differentiators early on. Rather than saying just fit into our mold, they actually said, we'll help you to put innovative solutions together, have ideas about how we can best attack certain problems. So it's that problem-solving mentality that was really helpful, in addition to the strength of the tool itself.
So we use a lot of dashboards. They use those dashboards to update their, to see where their projects are at. Do they need to update them? They can see their projects in a snapshot on the dashboard. And then even at management level, they can see where we're at in a snapshot.
Since KeyedIn, we've been able to establish some business metrics primarily around net present value and really see what our teams in respective regions are spending their time on within a given project. Because I'm always looking forward to see how much bandwidth do we have, how many projects can we support, and what contribution will that be to our revenue.
It has enabled me to see quite clearly many elements of the work that were not visible just 2 years ago, so we didn't even see, they were a black box previously. Now, through some focused training, I'm able to get a tremendous amount of information from my team in a fairly dynamic manner.
We considered KeyedIn as a step up and evolving into more of a global business tool.
I would definitely recommend KeyedIn to somebody else. It's a very robust system and we've been successful.